The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, CD player, MP3 player, power door locks, passenger airbag, power windows, bucket seats, security system, rear head airbag, auxiliary audio input, cloth seats, heated mirrors. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.